Ethics isn't just a way of staying out of trouble or reducing criminal fines and other sanctions under the federal guidelines. Ethics is a way of creating strength. It is a distinctive and unique path to relationships of trust, accomplishments of value, and a legacy of life-lasting meaning. The core commitments of business ethics aren't complicated in principle, but their application in the real world demands nuance, sophistication, hard thought, wisdom, skill, and consistency. Ultimately, business ethics is about responsibility. Responsibility to the greater good and the bigger picture of human life. Transparency in our decision-making and actions. Honesty in what we say, show, and do. Accountability with respect to what we've caused or contributed to with our actions. Though I see a CEO code of ethics as a noble way to elevate the business administration profession, I can't help wonder if the cutthroat world of financial greed has simply bitten off more than it can chew. In the Hippocratic Oath, for example, as a physician, I pledged the simple tenet of first do no harm. The simplicity of this Hippocratic Oath is universally accepted as physicians are faced with life and death, moral and subjective dilemmas on a daily basis. There are instances where prolonged periods of time to discuss critical issues regarding a failing patient's treatment is not an option, and quick decisions must be made. An error in the medical field can mean the difference between life or death. Therefore, a creed was developed to act as a guideline, providing tangible bulletins, including topics such as drug overdose to surgery. An oath regarding business endeavors should reflect how we all should live on a daily basis, regardless of the business profession. Building corporate social responsibility into mainstream management theory and practice is now necessary if our society is to improve, but it complicates the job for management because ethical expectations are now much higher in the business arena and their ethical obligations are not always clear. Ethical conduct needs to be based on a case-by-case study of particular situations. The primary duty of business, however, remains to maximize profit for the shareholders. Otherwise, it would cease to exist. And until, like in medicine and law, there becomes legislative and judicial bodies enforcing the standard of this code of ethics in terms of licensure and certification, a business oath and code of ethics for CEO remains a theory brought about to create warm, fuzzy feelings in that of the public arena. Thank you.